Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the applications of derivatives. This is lecture number 2. If you are not watched the lecture 1, you must watch the lecture 1 first. There we discuss the basic formula for the equation of tangent and normal. Here we are discussing some important questions. Let's begin. The first question is, find the equation of tangent and normal for the curve x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta at theta is equal to pi by 4. We have already discussed such type of questions. For this question, you have to write down the curves. First curve is x is equal to a cos cube theta. And next curve is y is equal to a sin cube theta. Here there are three parameters x, y and theta. So you have to find out the derivative with respect to theta here. So differentiating x with respect to theta, that is dx upon d theta is equal to a into 3 cos square theta, and derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. So we get minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. Similarly, for the second curve, dy by d theta is equal to 3a sin square theta, and derivative of sin theta again cos theta. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Now substitute the values. 3a sin square theta into cos theta divided by minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. Now cancel out 3a by 3a, sin theta, cos theta, and here cos theta. So remaining term is minus sin theta upon cos theta, which is equal to minus tan theta. Now substitute the value. Theta is equal to pi by 4, so is equal to minus tan pi by 4. Now tan pi by 4 is equal to 1, so it is equal to minus 1, and this is the slope of the tangent. Now you have to write down the formula for equation of tangent. The general formula we know that y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. First of all, you have to find out the value of x1 and y1. We know that x is equal to a cos cube theta. Now substitute the value of theta pi by 4, a cos cube pi by 4, so which is equal to a into 1 upon root 2 cube, and for y is equal to a sin cube theta, so which is equal to a sin pi by 4 cube, so which is equal to a 1 upon root 2 cube. So the point is x1 y1 is equal to a into 1 upon 2 root 2 comma a into 1 upon 2 root 2. Now substitute this value for the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent tangent at p x1 y1 is. Now put these values in this equation. Y minus y1 is a upon 2 root 2 is equal to slope we already calculated, m is equal to -1, and x minus x1 is a upon 2 root 2. Now cross multiplied, 2 root 2 y minus a is equal to minus x multiplied 2 root 2, that is minus x into 2 root 2 minus minus plus a. Now this we get 2 root 2 x plus 2 root 2 y, which is equal to 2a. Now dividing by 2, so we get root 2 x plus root 2 y is equal to a. This is the equation of tangent. And now for the equation of normal, for equation of normal at p x1 y1, slope is equal to the negative reciprocal of the slope of the tangent, so minus 1 upon minus 1, so we get slope is 1. Now equation of tangent is replaced by equation of normal, so equation of normal is y minus y1 is a upon 2 root 2, which is equal to m slope is 1, x minus x1 means a upon 2 root 2. If we check that minus a upon 2 root 2 and here also minus a upon 2 root 2, this is cancel out, so we get y is equal to x, that is x minus y is equal to 0. This is the equation of normal. Now discussing the second question, find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to 6 minus x square, where the normal is parallel to the line x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. Let's see the solution. Let any point p x1 y1, which is the point on the curve, the point on the curve y is equal to 6 minus x square, where the normal is parallel to the line x minus 4y plus 3 equal to 0. Let's consider the line x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get 1 minus 4 divided by dx is equal to 0. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 4. This is the slope of that line. Thus slope of the tangent, therefore slope of tangent is equal to minus 4. Why this? Because if we take this curve and this line is a normal and this line is a tangent, suppose this is tangent and this is normal, we are already given that normal is parallel to the x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. Means if taking this as a normal, then this line may be x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0, because the normal line is parallel to this line x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. So this line may be normal, because the slope of this line which is equal to the slope of the normal, and we know that the slope of the tangent is the negative reciprocal of the slope of the normal. So we find out the slope 1 upon 4 for this line which is equal to the slope of the normal, and therefore the slope of tangent is the negative reciprocal, that is minus of minus 1 upon 4. So this is equal to minus 4 here. Now taking the curve, now y is equal to 6 minus x square. Now differentiating this, differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2x, right? Now dy by dx at p x1 y1 is equal to minus 2x1, and therefore slope of tangent is equal to minus 2x1. Now we know that the slope of tangent is equal to the slope of the curve. So therefore the slope of tangent we calculated that minus 4, and which is equal to minus 2x1. You may given the number also for this. For this you may take the number 1 here, and for the second given for this number as a second. Now equating 1 and 2. So minus 4 is equal to minus 2x1. So x1 is equal to 2. Now for y1, put the value in the curve y is equal to 6 minus x square. So this curve at that point p x1 y1, so y1 is equal to 6 minus x1 square. So y1 is equal to 6 minus 2 square, means is equal to 2. So we get therefore point p x1 y1 is equal to 2 comma 2. Now this is pretty simple for you to calculate the equation of tangent and normal. We find out the point 2, 2, and the slope of the tangent here. We calculate that the slope of tangent is minus 4. Now write down the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent at p 2, 2. Taking the formula y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Now putting the values, y minus 2 is equal to, for the tangent slope is minus 4, now x minus 2. So calculating this, y minus 2 is equal to minus 4x plus 8. So therefore 4x plus y minus 2 minus 8 is equal to 0. So 4x plus y is equal to 10. This is the equation of tangent. And for the equation of normal, write down the equation of normal at p22 is, again, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Now this m for the normal mn. So y minus 2 is equal to minus 1 upon, now the slope was minus 4. So minus 4 x minus 2 here. So calculating this one, 4 minus minus cancel out. So 4y minus 8 is equal to x minus 2. So therefore x minus 4y is equal to minus 8 plus 2. Therefore x minus 4y is equal to minus 6. This is the equation of normal. I hope you enjoyed these two questions. In the next lecture, we coming with the new questions. Thanks for watching.